Okay, I'm going to show these guys actually getting fed tonight. This is Dark Angel batch number 1, the competition fry. All getting pretty big and really definitely starting to fill in on color and whatnot. I'm going to show you guys a feeding today. Again, just kind of basic setup. Nothing complicated. But good looking batch. This is a freeze-dried bloodworm meal, or blackworm meal, excuse me. Everybody's eating just fine. They actually got fed about an hour ago. They still are getting fed about 5 or 6 times a day, so everybody will get their share. Definitely have some larger fish and smaller fish, but still not acting too much like juvies. Not a lot of fighting or anything, but... And I think I got a pretty good cross-section of the batch, too. I've got several that are very pink, several that are very blue. So, hopefully it should be a good batch of fish to pull from. And they're all about their freeze-dried blackworms. That is a significant portion of their diet. So thanks for checking in with Drubus Discus, and I will continue to update as often as possible. I've been having some issues with videos, so hopefully I will get that taken care of and then get all these videos put up tonight. So thanks for checking in, and stay tuned. I'll keep tracking those guys and the other ones that are going in my homestead section right now.